Welcome back guys. Ayan, magano tayo, mag chess program. Yung ginagawa natin ngayon guys is incline dumbbell fly. Yan guys, incline dumbbell fly. Yan. Yung repetition natin is 12 or more. Bawat set 4 set yan guys, tapos kayo na lang magdagdag sa bawat set, dinadagdagan nyo ng timbang. Pero kung lightweight lang kayo, okay lang yung yung single weights, pero dinadagdagan nyo ng repetition. Okay guys, ito yung tinatawag nilang incline dumbbell fly. Okay, God bless all. Maraming salamat. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, like and subscribe. Happy day!